Whoa, 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 whoa. What in the wide, wide world of sports is going on here? Somebody that is not me has put garbage in our yard. They should know way better than that. I've got brand new garbage that I've got to drop off. Where am I going to put it? Out in the woods? Actually, yes. It's a hard life being a garbage collector. My dad wishes I would have collected rocks. So it would be a lot cheaper and more interesting than trains and garbage. Can't even see to back up. Hopefully nobody's going to need to get out and try to bike anytime soon. Oh. I already knew this, but I'm going to act like I didn't. Oh, this is not garbage. This is roofing materials. Roofing materials means the roof is getting ready to be redone. Roof getting ready to be redone means that tree is going to be cut down. And the tree getting ready to be cut down means that pile of train is going to need to be moved. Dark clouds are overhead.